After discovering how amazing pizza tasted, Extrapox wanted more. He used his human Earth communicator, also known as a smartphone, to call for pizza delivery. This time, he ordered 4 pizzas for himself and his 2 friends. If they shared the pizzas evenly, how much pizza did each alien get? Okay, so he loved the pizza so much, he got some more. So let's figure this out. I'm going to draw the friends again. Okay, here are Extrapox and his friends. Friend 1, friend 2. Okay? Now, we have 4 pizzas and 3 aliens. So I have more pizza than I do aliens. I have more of my objects that I'm sharing than I do the object that I'm sharing it with. Okay? The amount of objects I'm sharing it with is less than the amount of objects that I'm sharing. So that means that I know, well, first of all, let me ask you this. Can every alien get a whole pizza? Yes, every single alien can get a whole pizza because I only have 4 aliens, and I have 3 aliens, and I have 4 pizzas. So I know that this whole pizza can belong to Extrapox. I know that this whole pizza can belong to friend 1. And I know that this whole pizza can belong to friend 2. Without looking at this, does every single alien have the same amount of pizza? They do. They all have the same amount, okay? But now I have 1 pizza left over, and I need to share this pizza evenly between my 3 aliens. And I'm putting a 1 here because they have 1 whole pizza. 1 whole pizza, 1 whole pizza. Okay? So I'm going to put a whole. So up here, I put a third. When they got a third, I put a third. And then they got another third from the other pizza, and I put a third. Okay? And the reason we couldn't share these whole pizzas is because I have my number of objects that I'm sharing is less than the number of objects that I'm sharing it with. So if I gave everybody a whole pizza, friend number 2 wouldn't have had a pizza. And that's not fair. He shared them evenly between himself and his 2 friends. Okay? He shared them evenly between himself and his 2 friends. And I should have ordered 4 pizzas. I should have done that earlier, and I'm sorry. Okay? So I have 1 pizza left, and I have to share this evenly. I can't just give it to Extrapox or his friend 1 or friend 2. I have to share it evenly between all 3 of the aliens. What can I do with this 1 pizza? Good job. I can cut this pizza into thirds, just like we did on these pizzas. I cut these pizzas into third. I took 1 pizza and cut it into third and gave everybody 1. And then I got the other pizza and cut it into thirds and gave it to everybody. Okay, and everyone had 2 thirds. Now, so far, everyone down here, all of the aliens, they have 1 whole pizza so far. And then here is 1 third, 1 third, 1 third. So, this pizza, this one third can go to X plus 1 third. This 1 third can go to friend 1 plus 1 third equals. This 1 third can go to friend 2 plus 1 third equals. So I know that each person received 1 whole and 1 third. 1 whole and 1 third. Sorry, each alien. 1 whole and 1 third. So each alien received 1 and 1 third pizzas. So the way you would write your solution, each alien received 1 and 1 third pizzas. Okay? This right here, 1 and 1 third, 1 and 1 third, that is called a mixed number because you have a whole number and a fraction. So when you have a whole number and a fraction, you read your whole number first, 1, and then you say and 1 and 1/3. 1 and 1/3. This is a mixed number. A mixed number is a whole number and a fraction. Okay? So you're going to do a problem that is similar to this, and I think it's going to be dealing with crackers.